my name's Ben. I'm here at Fast Intention. Today I'm here with my 2016 Infiniti Q50 I got the Red Sport 400 twin turbo. Wanted to upgrade the sound, and so I came back to Fast Intentions, and getting a catback exhaust with a 10-inch mufflers, I figured it would give an aggressive tone, and the car is relatively quiet stock, so I really wanted to kind of make it more aggressive. I first came to Fast Intentions in 2011 with my Nissan 370Z. I did a bunch of exhaust work on that and loved it. Unfortunately, after about 7 years, I totaled the 370Z, but I loved my exhaust so much that when I got my Infiniti Q50, I couldn't wait to come back and do this one as well.